Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Instagram nickname on Instagram chat. First thing you do is open up your Instagram account and then you tap on the DM message at the top right corner. This is the DM message at the top right corner, and then open up this messenger, and the next thing you're going to do is tap on the chat whose nickname you want to change. As you can see, this is a relatively new account, so that's why I really don't have anyone on my DM. So I'm going to show you the step. I'm going to tell you the steps, and simply follow them and you'll be there. Now the first thing you do is, like I said, you tap on the DM icon in the top right corner, then you select the conversation where you want to change the nickname, then you tap the chat name at the top of the screen, select nicknames from the options it's going to bring out, and then you tap the person whose nickname you want to change. Enter the new nickname and tap done. This nickname we're talking about will only be visible to you and the other participants in that specific chat. It will not affect their actual Instagram username. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change someone's nickname in an Instagram chat. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.